You may not see that until perhaps June. We've got highs that are below average, 16 today, and highs on the weekend about 14 degrees. And there will be some showers at times. May get a nice sunshine break, though, for Sunday, Mother's Day, so nice gift for Mom. But yeah, on the cool side, highs only about 14, and more light rain to start next week as well. So yeah, pack the umbrella. You'll need it at times. Mostly cloudy right now at Toronto Pearson, 11 degrees there. Light wind out of the north-northwest. The guaranteed high today, 16. And because we did not miss the weather guarantee, the jackpot climbs to $3,100.
Coming up at 7:30, our Carl Hansky is heading to the Dundas and Davis area of Mississauga, where a stabbing at a home has injured 3 people. 6:80 news time, 7:24.
Hey, it's Richard from Joseph Gas. At Joseph Gas, we're committed to our customers' success. All our employees have either worked in welding or have been trained by the best. Our personalized service and fast response time is designed to make things easier for you. Not only that, at Joseph Gas, we have the best prices. So knowledgeable staff and great prices. Why would you go anywhere else? No, seriously, why? Visit us at josephgas.com. That's Joseph with an F, as in family.
A former Saturday Night Live cast member returns to host the show this weekend. 680's Eva Francescatos with a preview. Maya Rudolph will be back on the SNL stage, and the comedian and actress interrupted the Jimmy Fallon show last night to talk about it.
What is happening right now? You're hosting the show.
I know.
I love you and thank you for coming by.
It's my pleasure.
You'd always walk in. I love it.
Rudolph, along with musical guest Vampire Weekend, appeared in a promo for the episode along with cast member Kenan Thompson.
It's going to be a great show, mostly because of you, Vampire Weekend.
Oh, so we're going to do this right now. I told you I didn't take your hairdryer.
Also, just disappeared the last time you hosted.
Okay, fine. But it was originally my hairdryer.
It was not.
Guys.
Sorry, Vampire Weekend. Keenan also asked Vampire Weekend how they got their name.
Oh, it's just a combination of our real names. I'm Vampire Friday. I'm Vampire Saturday. And I'm Vampire Sunday.
So does that answer your silly little question during my promo, Keenan? I'm Eva Francescatos. Coming up in 60 seconds, we'll check in with Mike Epple at the Business Center. 6:80 news time, 7:25.
This portion of the news is brought to you by TMS Clinics of Canada. Have you been on antidepressants for over a year without relief? I'm Dr. Leo Steiner. I want to tell you about a medical breakthrough that may finally provide the relief you've been waiting for. For years, this treatment has been available all over the U.S., but not in Canada. It's called TMS. TMS doesn't use drugs, approved by Health Canada, and has helped thousands of patients rebuild their lives and actually love life again. Call me for a free consultation. Go to tmsofcanada.com. There's hope.
Hi, Catherine here from Speedy Glass. Is that a chip in your windshield? It can turn into a crack. Don't let it get to that. At Speedy Glass, our certified technicians are always ready to go, and we do everything we can to repair your windshield before replacing it. Plus, thanks to our expertise, our work is guaranteed for life. For a rock-solid windshield repair, trust our 75 years of dedicated experts. Book your appointment today at speedyglass.ca. For details and conditions at speedyglass.ca. Time now for the Business Report. Here's Mike Epple.
Well, good morning. Watching a spike for shares of a pharmaceutical company this morning, Novavax, which has operations, it's based in Maryland, but has operations in Quebec and elsewhere, and it's seen its stock price jump by 140% in pre-market trading activity after announcing a deal with French-based Sanofi Aventis related to vaccine production. Novavax is under contract to make a combined COVID-19 and flu vaccine for Sanofi, and that could really bolster the Novavax earnings, which have struggled of late, and the share price up by 127% right now, above $10 in pre-market U.S. trade. Overall, the markets are in a good tone and mood because of all the speculation that the next move for interest rates at central banks will be lower. We heard that a little bit yesterday from the Bank of England, which held steady on policy in the trading for the May meeting, but could start